Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Tutorials 2K21, and today we are going to learn how to install Arduino IDE in Windows 10 operating system. So just go to Google first, and in this just search for Arduino IDE. So this is an official website where you are going to install your Arduino IDE. Just click on this. And here we have an option like previous release 1.8.18. You just click on that link and it will show you this is a page. So these are the previous versions and this is a current version we are going to use. So this is 1.8.18. And here you have many options like Windows, Mac, Linux. So now I'm going to explain you how to install IDE for Windows operating system. So I just go with Windows option and here I'm click on Windows installer. And now you can see here the Arduino IDE is started downloading. And after completion of this downloading, I'm going to install into my laptop. So the file size is 114 MB. And after installation, after downloading this file, you can find this in downloads folder. So it will take a few minutes and seconds to complete downloading. So now you can see your file is downloaded and you can find out that file in downloads folder. So just double click on this. So here you can find out the file is started installing into your laptop, and in a first step it will ask you for accepting the terms and conditions. You just click on I agree and click on next, and here you can find your Arduino is going to be installed in C drive program files. If you are interested, you can change this also, but uh, you can install in C drive itself because all the softwares are going to be installed in that drive itself. So start install. So this is a wizard where you can find. So Arduino setup file is going to be installing and it is going to extract all the files which is required to run your Arduino IDE. And here you have a show details option. You just click on this and now you can see what are the different things are extracted from your exe file. So here the installation is completed. You just click on this close button and see here you're finding like the things are completed. So click on close button. So now I'm going to show you the installed file. So just click on this Windows and here you can type Arduino. So here you are finding that Arduino app. So now you can see this is your Arduino IDE. This is your Arduino IDE, and this is a default sketch, right? So if you want to create a project, you can use this sketch, and here we have to write the code for our projects. So before we are going to see the things, how you're going to write and what is the things we are finding in this ID and everything. So I'm going to check. So after installation of Arduino Uno successfully into our laptop, so you can open your application. So this is going to show you an IDE like this. So now you're finding different options like file, edit, sketch, tools, and help. And whenever you want to create a new project, you go with a file with new option, and it is going to create a new sketch for you. And the open option is going to open the existing application, and open recent is going to show you the recent files. So which you are used with this IDE. And then the sketchbook is going to create a new sketchbook, and this is an option like examples. Here you are finding different examples of this ID. So these are the inbuilt projects. So with different types of sensors and different types of kits. Okay, so here I'll demonstrate you the basic project. So that is a Blink application. So I'll take an existing project, and I'll show you, and I'll demonstrate you how to upload and run your sketch with your Arduino Uno. So here I'm going to select this option like Blink. So this is my inbuilt project. So the purpose of this application is, so in my Arduino, I'm having an inbuilt LED. So now I'm going to show you how to upload this code into Arduino Uno. And how to run it. So these are the comments things. You have to remove it. And this is a basic code actually. So here you're finding of that this ID is consisting two different types of functions by default. So one is setup function, and the second one is a loop function. So in this setup function, you can declare your variables, and you can initialize the variables which we required in your project. And whereas in loop, whatever the functionality we are going to implement, that everything we have to mention in this loop function itself. So these are the default functions which is available with your Arduino IDE. As like in C programming, you can write your own functions, user defined functions, that is also allowed. So here my purpose is I want to turn on or off my inbuilt LED of my Arduino with some delay. So for that, I need to set my inbuilt LED. I need to configure with output mode because I want to see my output with that LED itself. Now you are finding here pin mode is an inbuilt function. So which is used to set your pins with different configurations like output mode or input mode. You want to set that particular pin, that is happen with this pin mode function. And we have digital write function, which is also an inbuilt function. So which is going to turn on or off your inbuilt LED. So for that, here I'm going to use the same variable and I'll make this with high. So this is a digital thing. So I have two options like on or off. So high indicates on and low indicates off. So what I'm trying to do here is I want to set that pin to high mode. That indicates that now that LED which is connected to that particular pin is going to on. And here I have another inbuilt function like delay. So this delay function will take an integer value as an argument and which will take that many of seconds as a delay. And here after this delay, again I want to turn off my LED. So for that, I will make my pin to low. And again, I'm providing the delay. So because of this, my LED is going to turn on or off automatically after this 1000 seconds. So here I'll show you how to upload this code into Arduino Uno. So now so you can see here in tools menu, you're finding that the board is connected is Arduino Uno and these are different boards. So because we know like we have a different types of boards available in Arduino itself. So Arduino N, Uno, Nano, Mega ADK. So these are different microcontrollers. So all of these microcontrollers, I'm using Arduino Uno. When I'm connected with my USB, so it automatically detect my board. So that is the first step it required, because whenever we want to upload your code into microcontroller, so first thing it needs to be connected with your IDE. So now my Arduino Uno is successfully connected. So because of that reason, it will show me like my board is Arduino Uno and the COM port. So it is going to be connected at the first time when you are using your IDE. So when you try to upload your code into your Arduino, it will give you the default port which your USB is connected. So for my system, it is give me a serial port as COM4. So for that COM4, my Arduino Uno is connected, and this is also very important. And after this, my setup is completed successfully. So I'm going to upload this code. So just click on this arrow button. So now you can see here an option like upload, right? I just click on this. Now the compilation of the sketches started, and now you're finding that the code is uploaded. So because here you can see done uploading. So my code is dumped into right. So here you can see. So this is my Arduino Uno board, which I'm connected to my laptop. So by this USB, I'm connected. So now my code is uploaded into this Arduino Uno, and you can see one light, it starts blinking and it automatically off after some delay. And you can see that continuously that LED is on and off. So that is an inbuilt LED which is available with your Arduino Uno. So after this code is uploaded into this, so now this is going to be happened. So here, okay. So here you can see, I'm going to change my delay. So for turning on, I'm going to change my delay with 5000 seconds. So now you can find out that after I'm uploading this, the sketch again into my microcontroller, now it is going to be uploaded with the latest code into my Arduino Uno. And you can find out that the delay for turn on is high as compared to turn off. So I will upload the sketch again. So here I'm click on this upload. So now my code is uploaded. So I'll show you, now you can see the output. So you can find out this, my LED is turned on, and for the previous thing, you can find out that the LED is turned on off very quickly, and now you can see that LED is turned on for a long time, and it is going to be turned off. Again, it is turned on. So in this way, you can upload your code into a microcontroller that is of your Arduino Uno, and then you can run your application. So here I'm going to provide the links. In my description. So you can download your Arduino IDE from that link directly. Thank you.